So hello and welcome to the Every Offer platform. Today we are going to go through a quick tutorial on how to submit an offer on a listing that is in the Every Offer application. First thing we're going to do is on the home page of Every Offer, jot in the MLS number and click Place Offer. You'll see it's searching for the offer, and so long as it's active or an escrow in the system, it'll pull up without a problem. If for any reason it doesn't pull up, just give the listing agent a quick call and see if there's been a change in the status of the property. Okay, so once the property pulls up, just make sure it's the right one, of course. And if it is, go ahead and click Place Offer. Now, in order to place an offer, you'll have to set up a quick free guest account, which will actually allow you to track your offer and see counteroffers when they arrive. So I'm just going to put in some demo information real quick. And once you complete all the fields and agree to the terms, it'll create your free guest account. Next step, you'll just want to add your buyers to the offer. Just the first and last name, no other information is required. And then when you're done, we'll move on to the second step, which are the offer details of your offer. Now these are just the key terms of the offer that allow the listing agent and the seller to quickly in a glance see a summary of what your offer is all about. Purchase price, the loan amount, it's going to automatically calculate the finance percentage, the earnest deposit, if we're asking for any closing cost, the type of financing, in this case it's conventional, the home warranty amount if we're asking for a buyer's home warranty on the property. If the stove, refrigerator, washer, and dryer are included, just go ahead and check these boxes. How many days till close of escrow, the length of the investigation contingency, the length of the appraisal contingency, the length of the full loan contingency. This is typically the date that all contingencies would need to be removed. And then if you're allowing the seller possession days after closing, you'll just note that here. So if you're specifically asking for Section 1 termite in your offer, or you intend to on your repair requests, you'll probably want to check yes here. And if the property is contingent upon you selling a property in order to buy this one, of course you'll want to mark this contingency as yes as well. And then the offer expiration date. By default, it is choosing 3 days from today at 5 p.m. You can, of course, change that. Next is the opportunity to enter in additional offer terms about this offer. This could be more details about the contingency. This could be noting an exact closing date. In my example here, it's noting that the buyer is open to a leaseback from the sellers. So almost anything can go in this section. And once you're done, then it's just time to upload all of your offer documents. So in this example, we'll include the full RPA package, my buyer's pre-approval letter, and their proof of funds. I'll confirm that that's all the documents that are needed. And then I'll go to our final step. Now you're probably already creating an email like this when you submit an offer. However, when you use Every Offer, it's bringing all of that information into your email for you, and you'll have the opportunity to edit it, add some more information, make any other changes that you'd like to make like I did there. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click Submit Offer, and as soon as this process is over, the listing agent will be notified. Once they receive the notification, they'll have an opportunity to, of course, review your offer and present it to the seller. Every Offer automatically will send it to the seller within 24 hours if it's not presented sooner. As a guest agent, you'll have access to the offer that you placed on behalf of your buyer. By clicking the View Detail, you'll be able to see the details of your offer. And if you notice any errors or corrections you'd like to make, just click on the pencil icon next to the word Original Offer, and you'll be able to make any changes. And finally, by clicking the PDF icon, you can pull up your offer file cabinet. And if you need to make any changes, perhaps upload a more recent approval letter, you can do so here, and the listing agent will see that on their end. If you need to access the listing agent's information, just click on the little arrow to the left of the property address. When the listing agent sends you a counteroffer, you'll receive an email notification so that you can log back into your EveryOffer account and view that counteroffer. All counteroffers back and forth between the buyer and seller will be handled on the EveryOffer platform. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If you run into any problems, just shoot us an email at support@everyoffer.com.